I heard y'all loud and clear. You loved Friday's video with 3 different appetizers, so guess what? I'm bringing you even more holiday appetizers. And let's be honest, most of these appetizers can be made year-round, but there's just something about this time of year that makes me want to eat appetizers slash party food and just fill up on all the things that probably aren't the absolute best for me, but you know, balance is everything. Hey y'all, I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy in the Making. A portion of today's video is kindly sponsored by Thrive Market. And you know what? If you're making holiday sweet treats, but you're using better for you ingredients, like the kind that you can get from Thrive Market, you don't feel as guilty. I'll tell you more about them later, but let's get started. Our first one is a dip, and it is interesting, and I cannot wait to try it. It is a hot honey whipped ricotta dip. You'll want some kind of good bread to go along with this, so I've already baked some, I think it's ciabatta bread from Wild Grain, but this comes together really quickly and really easily. I'm going to be using a food processor, but if you don't have one, you can use a hand mixer. You're just going to have to stand there for a few minutes doing it, but it's going to give you pretty much the same result. So to get started, we're going to check out this tub of ricotta cheese. If it's super watery, we're going to get some of that excess moisture off of it, because otherwise our dip is going to be watery. Just as a little note, you want the whole milk kind because it's going to be creamier. I love that for me. I just tried to take, it's got like the little plastic, and so it had the little tear tab on the side where you kind of grip it. Yeah, all it did was do that. So, I've got to dirty a knife to get this plastic covering off. There we go. All right, mine's a little watery, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put this plate here, some paper towels folded on top of it, and we're just going to dump this on here. There we go. And you see there's even some water sitting on top of that. So I'm going to grab another paper towel and just dab that off. You don't want a watery dip, you know. So we're going to let that hang out for a few minutes and just kind of let the water, the excess water, kind of absorb down there at the bottom. But this is a 15-ounce container, by the way. We're going to be using the whole thing. While we wait on that, let's go ahead and zest half a lemon. Got just a half a lemon left, so that worked out. Okay, there we go. The only other thing I need to do, and this will go on a little bit later, but I have some fresh thyme here. I'm going to chop it because it needs to be chopped up. It's been several minutes, so let's go ahead and put that in our food processor. There was a good bit of moisture that came out. Add that. Let's add our lemon zest, and we just need about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna let this do its thing for a couple of minutes. Okay, that went for about 2 minutes. Let's check on it and see what we think. We don't want it to be grainy. We want it to be super smooth, and it looks very smooth. She's beautiful. All right, let's take that out. It looks like yogurt. Okay, so now we have the whipped dip, but we got to add hot honey to it. We're going to add probably like 1/3 cup, because you want it to be, like, you don't want it just to be on that top layer. I mean, it is just on the top layer, but you need enough so there's some left behind and gets kind of mixed in with it as you serve it. This is not wanting to come out of that squeezy nozzle, so let's open it up. We want it to pull up in some spaces. There we go. Okay, where is my chopped thyme? Add some color on top and a little bit of flavor. I love the flavor of thyme. And then you know what? We have a little bit of this lemon zest left. I can add that to the top too. Might as well. Now, does it taste good? We're about to find out. This portion of today's video is kindly sponsored by Thrive Market. Every time I get a box from Thrive Market, I'm so excited because I've probably forgotten some of the things that I ordered, so it's like a little gift to myself every time I open it. If you aren't familiar, Thrive Market is an online membership-based grocery store. They have the highest quality products that are delivered straight to your door, and you have savings on every single order. On this order alone, I saved over $48. And before I continue on, let me just tell you how smart they are with their packaging. I love that this is recyclable, but also, I mean, canned goods can get dented. They are very careful to make sure that it's packaged really well when it comes to you. Here's the thing. If you get overwhelmed with looking at labels in the grocery store, you can't figure out what's technically good for you and what's not, look no more, because Thrive Market does that for you. I'm not having to overthink food labels anymore. They do all the heavy lifting for me. There's no artificial colors and flavors in anything that they sell. Plus, they have over 1,000 ingredients banned from their site. There are things that I always stock my pantry with that I get from Thrive Market, like this organic roasted chicken breast. This is really great for if you're wanting to make a chicken salad really quick for lunch. Another staple that we have in our pantry are these beef sticks. My guys love these. They also have their own brand of like the squeezable apple sauces. Steven's been using these a lot recently when he goes on long bike rides. He's been training for a triathlon, so he needs something with a little bit of sugar, something good for him, so we've been getting these. And I love that there's always new brands and new products showing up on Thrive Market. We love the Joyride, especially the cherry berry ropes. These are so good, and they've just been added not too long ago to Thrive Market, so now I can get it from there. But it's not just food items. I also get different supplements. You can get cleaning products. You can get all kinds of things from Thrive Market. This magnesium glycinate has become a staple for me. It helps me sleep at night. And Thrive Market is so cool. For every paid annual membership, they gift a membership to someone in need. And heads up, Thrive Market is the first online-only retailer to accept SNAP EBT. So now a lot more people have access to healthy ingredient products from Thrive Market. So with Thrive Market, they have an app that you can go in and you can click buy it again, and you can just add your favorites to your cart. And once your cart hits that $49 threshold, everything in your cart ships for free. So as I'm running out of things, like I just ran out of these not too long ago, I just go in and add it on the app. And then once I hit that threshold, I place my order. So if you're interested in giving Thrive Market a try, just go to thrivemarket.com/mandyinthemaking, and you'll get 30% off of your first order, plus you're gonna get a free gift worth up to $60. I'm telling you, Thrive Market is the way to go. It just makes grocery shopping so much easier. I'm gonna finish unpacking this order, and then we'll get back to cooking. We have a special someone coming to do a taste test with us.
I'm special?
Special enough. Here you go.
Ooh, what have we got here?
Yeah.
Looks good, sweetheart.
It does look good. I'm really hoping it tastes good.
Never seen anything like that before.
Do you want me to tell you what it is?
No. Wait. I'll be
Okay.
surprised.
Okay.
That looks sweet, whatever that is on top.
Okay.
Tink.
Pink. Mmm.
That is good. It's hot, too. A little spicy.
Hot honey.
Mmm. That is delicious.
That is delicious. With
There's
a little bit of pop of lemon in there.
Okay. Yeah, I'm getting some of that. The hot honey, the sweet, the spicy. Mm-hmm. And then, I don't know what this is, but it's delicious. I guess some garlic flavor in there or something.
I don't know. That might be the bread. I think the bread may have had some garlic on it.
So what is that?
Ricotta cheese that's been whipped.
Is there any oil in it? Oh, I see the lemon zest in it.
There's a tad bit of olive oil that's been whipped with it.
Okay.
He needs all the carbs he can get, because I think you're going to go on a bike ride, aren't you?
I'm supposed to.
Supposed to.
That is special. The more I eat it, the more I like it.
All right, y'all. There is appetizer number 1. Do I dare? I think I do. We're gonna be making a very festive little appetizer, and it's basically just cheese bread, but it's gonna be a Christmas tree pull-apart bread, and we're gonna dip it in marinara sauce. It's gonna be great, but we are using pizza dough. I don't know how much I learned from my stromboli mess, but I do know that you're supposed to let this sit out for a little while. So I just got it out of the fridge. I'm gonna let it sit for 15-20 minutes before I even try to do anything. So I'll be back. Parchment paper is my friend, right? So what we've got to do is, to create each little dough ball, we have to roll this pizza dough out and cut it into 32 little squares. Now, if you aren't familiar, why I'm scared of pizza dough is because one time when I was trying to make stromboli using pizza dough, I fought with that pizza dough for I don't know how long. It felt like eternity. What in the world? If this ain't comedy, how am I gonna make this 12 inches? I'm serious right now. How do you make this? But people said I didn't let it rest long enough, so this has been resting out for almost 30 minutes now. We're gonna see how it goes. But first, I need to preheat my oven to 400. Before we start working on our pizza dough, because honestly, I'm just putting it off as long as I can, I need to cut these 8 mozzarella cheese sticks into 4 pieces each. So let's do that. So to make sure they're pretty much even, I'm gonna cut them in half and then cut them in half again. Those are done. Now it's time. It is time. Is it gonna be nice to me today? Well, I already can't get it out of the bag, so that's not a good sign.
You're gonna give that dough a whooping?
Well, I finally got it out of the bag. That was already a hassle in and of itself. I'm going to flour this. Y'all, I am not looking forward to this.
Oh, we gotta flour it some more.
What?
Put some flour on that.
I don't know that I'm supposed to add a ton though. Okay, I'm already struggling. You know, I knew this was coming.
All right.
Yep. I knew this was coming. It's great fun. I don't know how people work with dough. I don't.
Let me see if I can work with it. I want to see what I can do with it.
Well, first of all, this won't stop. Everybody said use parchment paper, but my parchment paper won't stay still, nor will it keep from rolling up. I've got to get it into like a big rectangle shape.
Okay. Doing good.
Am I?
Yeah.
Because I don't think I am. This parchment paper is going to be the death of me. I hate this. It just keeps going right back. I'm glad I could provide comedic relief.
Yeah, this is great.
Yeah. I'm supposed to get 32 dough balls out of this.
You gotta sling it up in the air, like Mario.
No. Why does this thing hate me?
I don't know.
It's like I knew it was gonna be hard, but I was really kind of hoping that maybe it wasn't. I was like, maybe. It's just all in my head. No. Look, it ain't even coming off the parchment paper.
There we go. You gotta make a hole in it though.
I'm starting over.
All right.
Everybody says to put it on parchment paper, but that was not working for me, so.
Now it's starting to get a face shape.
Look, it has a hole.
Yeah, you not need to ball it back up.
Why? Why do people work with this? How do they work with it? This has not been a labor of love. This has been a labor of frustration. Steven came over here and helped me. He had to turn the camera off because I was so irritated. And he came over here and he helped me. He balled it back up and he got it started for me. And then I watched a little video on YouTubular and it's getting there. There's a couple of places where there's holes in it. We're just ignoring that. We're acting like that doesn't exist. Because I honestly can't start over again. So we're getting there. It needs to be pretty thin because we've got to make 32 balls from this. I don't know what else to do. Y'all can give me some more tips, but this may be the last time that pizza dough enters our house. I'll just be honest. I'm gonna cut it in half first, half-ish, and then let's do that. So this is gonna be, let's see how many we actually get.
Okay.
How many did we get? Oh, I got more than 30.
Okay.
I didn't think I would get 30. But that's a good thing because some of these are really small, so I just won't use those. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because these turned out a little too skinny because I wasn't paying attention. So that's okay because we still have enough. So now we're going to take our mozzarella sticks and just put them in the middle. I have no words. Other than we're gonna sprinkle some seasoning on here. I've got some garlic powder.
You're doing great, babe. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
This is working out good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so glad that you're convinced because I'm not, but you know, here we go. I'm just sprinkling garlic powder over top. A little bit of Italian seasoning as well.
Mm-hmm. I believe in this. Look at that.
Yeah, we ain't rolled them up yet.
It's gonna be nice, herbalicious.
Now we take it and we attempt, I'm gonna do it with one of the larger ones first. Let me get my scraper out.
Okay.
Because they may have stuck on here, you know?
Right.
Oh, hopefully not. Hopefully I can get them up. Okay, I think I got them.
Okay.
And so we just wrap it in there and kind of ball it up.
There you go.
So now what we're doing is we've rolled a few of these up. We're gonna make a Christmas tree shape. So here's our trunk. We're gonna do 7 across on the bottom layer. 3, you're putting it seam side down or attempting to. 4, 5, and then you just kind of grab any of those extra seasonings that are on the counter.
There you go.
6. Now mine aren't really ball shaped, but they're close enough is what I'm thinking. 7. So, is that good?
Yeah.
It's gonna be. Now the next row will have 6 and so on, all the way till we get to 1. So we're making our little Christmas tree shape. We've got a little Christmas tree. We got 3 presents underneath it. It did say that there would be 3 left over, so they're not going to waste. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little more seasoning on the outside. Then we're gonna do an egg wash, so they'll get, you know, kind of browned on there. So for our egg wash, it's just an egg and a little bit of water.
Babe, we're almost done. You did so good.
I'm so stressed. I don't like pizza dough. Tell me how to like working with pizza dough, because I don't understand. This is going in a 400-degree oven for 16 to 18 minutes. While we've got it in there, I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then we're gonna grab some marinara sauce and warm that too. Now when these come out in just a few minutes, we are going to brush them with some melted butter. So we've gotta do that. And then we're gonna sprinkle them with Parmesan cheese and a little bit of fresh parsley. So I'm gonna chop that up really quickly.
Now that is pretty.
I mean, we had a little bit of a bursting problem there, but you know,
it'll be all right.
It'll be okay.
That looks delicious, babe.
Thanks.
This is just layer on the flavors, okay? Look there, you did not skimp with that butter.
No, I mean, I'm trying to use all of it.
No skimpage.
All right, now let's throw some Parmesan cheese on there.
Look at that. Speaking my language. It's flocked.
It's a flocked tree.
It is.
All right, let's add some parsley on for our green.
Decorate it.
I mean, that ain't too shabby.
No, that was
I ain't
great.
mad at it.
You did this.
We've got pull-apart bread. It gave the great, satisfying cheese pull. Did you?
Wow.
Let's take this one, okay? He was too excited.
Buttery garlic, Parmesan cheese,
Did you dip it in the marinara sauce?
little marinara action. Tink.
Tink.
That is delicious.
Was it worth it?
Yeah, you did a good job.
It is good, I have to say. A little crust on the bottom. So if you're good at working with dough, this will be easy for you. If you're not, you can still do it, because I still did it. Yep. We thought we were done. But you know what this reminds me of? A better version of crazy bread from Little Caesars. That's exactly what this reminds me of. We can't stop eating it. We've already eaten like almost half this Christmas tree. So there you go. There are 2 more appetizers for you to take to a holiday gathering, whether it's a Christmas party, New Year's Eve, whatever. I'm just proud of myself that I did not let the dough beat me. It was not a dough disaster, and I did not coin that. I don't know who coined it, but someone left me a comment last time and said that they've had several dough disasters in their time as well, and I just thought that was the cutest thing ever. Don't forget to go check out Thrive Market. Just go to thrivemarket.com/mandyinthemaking. When you shop using that link, you're gonna save 30% on your first order, plus you're gonna get a free gift worth up to $60. Thank y'all so much for being here. I hope you had a good time. It was a struggle, but we made it. I'll see you next time. Bye.